glass. The glass products are used at home, like bottles and all, and when they break, we throw it into the dustbin. From there, it's sorted and taken to landfills. From landfills, recycled factories which recycle glass take the crushed glass and make them into new bottles, jars, and etc. Which again are brought to stores so we can buy recycled glass.
So what can we do? We can spread the awareness among the people about the good effects of recycling. We can gather people from our neighborhood on week-offs and collectively make efforts to collect useful garbage.
We must use bins every time we dump garbage, and we must use internet to know more about recycling.
A great economist, Mr. Sydney, said that it is the greatest of all the mistakes to do nothing because you can do little. So do what you can. This simply means that a single cannot make a major difference, but as a group we can make it. So by getting concerned about recycling, we can pick up garbages near us and just throw it in a dustbin nearby.
So as you can see the 3 bins over there, the plastic ones, the orange ones are for the plastic, the green ones are for wet waste, and the blue is for paper.
Thank you.
Recycling. Recycling is a way of life. Once you make the choice to recycle, as we all know, if we practice something regularly, it becomes a habit. That's what this slide says. Once you make a choice of recycling and do whatever you can every day, it becomes a habit. It's like second nature. And to stick to that choice every day, why is recycling important? Recycling is important because it benefits us directly as human beings, benefits for environment, and also will deliver long-term benefits for our children to enjoy. So why is recycling important? It's important because it benefits us directly. Like if we recycle paper, trees won't be cut, and the trees gives us oxygen, so we'll have more fresh air to breathe in. It also benefits the environment. As if the trees are not cut down, there won't be any soil erosion, the water won't get dirty, and the animals, the marine life won't be harmed. It's also a long-term benefit as if we start recycling today, there'll be more raw material, and the earth will be more cleaner for our children to come.
So we have initiated the step, and let's hope that we recycle from now. Now means now. Thank you.
Are you going to do it from today?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you will be, I saw the last picture, it was very nice that let us start from today, holding a bag. So what is that you are going to do from today? What different will you do today? From today, he will throw all the garbage, all the waste in dustbin. Okay, all right. Next, everyone should give one point what you are going to do. And how will you motivate your children who generally throw things around? See, the campus is so beautiful, so green, so nice. When you come from Manchis, litter. When we come, go outside, we litter. So what is that you are going to do? Now you move to your new beautiful dorms. But that also, after a month, everything will be broken. As it is, the dorm parents were telling me when, the first day they were given TV. When we had that India and Pakistan test match, you were all sitting with your legs on the sofa. and so many children have already removed the buttons because there's a, they have already pulled it down. They were sitting at the back, they were sitting everywhere. So is that what you are going to do, children?
No, ma'am, as being seniors, we try to counsel them and say them not to do this.
Beautiful. I like his, the way he is volunteering. At least committing. At least he is going to take initiative. What about others? I would like to hear from others also.
Like coming back, when we come back from Munchies, we see a lot of trash. So if we see anyone throwing it, we'll tell them to pick it up. If they don't, then we'll pick it up, pass it, and put it in the dustbin.
Will you do that? Because it's our students who do it on the way. Because if I go before Munchies, it's good, it's nice. But after my children come back from Munchies, it's a sad affair.
Ma'am, instead of telling them to do it, we ourselves in front of them will pick the litter which they have thrown. So looking at us, even they feel, why are we doing this? Let's get inspired by let's do something for nature.
But there are some who will just laugh.
Now how long can they laugh? They can laugh for a month, 2 months, 3 months. But at last they have to go.
Share one more thing with you all, that Sweden, if I am not mistaken, I think I am right and not giving the wrong information, but even Sweden is a country who, through the waste management, they are producing electricity. And all the surplus electricity which is there, they are saving it for the industries. And this electricity is used for household purpose and for various other purposes, right? Imagine if India also starts doing this with our waste management, do you think we will require the other electricity? The electricity produced by this waste will be more than enough. Sweden doesn't have that much of garbage created by that country, and they buy it from the Asian countries like Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan and India. And that is how these 3 bins came into circulation, because they wanted segregated waste. They were not ready to take the garbage which has been dumped into one dustbin and which is littered all around. They said we want segregated, and that is how this came into existence. The 3 different color of dustbins are kept all around. But in spite of selling them, imagine how much of garbage is around here. And if we take the initiative, if we start doing it, like my wonderful children have been telling that we will do something, we will make a difference. And if we have to make a difference, and if we have to be like, they say Switzerland, or like Singapore, any European country or any other country, then we need to start from here. And not from tomorrow, from today. Wonderful presentation, very nice. And most of you were very, very confident. Very good children, very nice.
We have a video to show. Please don't hesitate to see the video, as you might feel it's gross, but we all use plastic in our daily life. And this is about plastic, what it can do to animals.